Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bliss. It is another super short review for you today. Today I'm going to talk about the Maui Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean Smoothie. Yes. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead on and click that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so that you can stay updated on new videos. If you like Maui products, give this video a big thumbs up. So today in my hair, I am using the Maui Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean product. Y'all, okay, so this product is good for a variety of different things. It helps with frizz, it helps keep your hair smooth, and all of that jazz. This product can be used as a deep treatment, mask, or a leave-in treatment. So today I am using it as a leave-in treatment. Y'all, when I tell you this product smells absolutely amazing, it smells 100% amazing. It smells just like vanilla. So if you like vanilla, the way that vanilla smells, you'll absolutely love this product. Yes. Let's continue to move forward. So I'm using this product to twist my hair just to help keep that moisture in, also to protect my hair from humidity, because I've been doing a lot of walking. It is very hydrating to my hair, so I love that for my low porosity hair. Okay, you guys, so you're probably wondering how much of this product that I'm using. Well, per the directions, you really don't need to use a lot of this product, so I'm using maybe a dime size, maybe a nickel size, something like that of this product. If you're not already following me on the Instagram, y'all check me out there. So look at my hair. You guys see how hydrating, how moisturized my hair looks. I'm loving this product. I cannot wait to use it as a deep treatment mask. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next video. Smooches. Mwah.